Are you really ready to invest in the OM system OM-3, or should you wait just a little longer? It's tempting, isn't it? The buzz around this highly anticipated camera has reached fever pitch. Leaks and rumors are everywhere, and it seems like every photographer and videographer is talking about it. But before you hit that pre-order button, let's take a step back. Is it truly worth the hype right now, or could waiting a bit longer be the smarter move? Today, we're diving into 5 compelling reasons why holding off on the OM-3 might be the best decision you make this year. Let's start with the heart of any camera, its sensor. The OM-3 is rumored to feature a revolutionary 103 stack sensor, a leap forward from the 20-megapixel sensor in its predecessor, the OM-1. But why does this matter? Imagine you're capturing a late-night street scene, the dim lights reflecting off rain-slick pavement, or shooting in a low-lit jazz club with rich shadows and dramatic contrasts. Traditionally, these environments are challenging for smaller sensors, which struggle with noise and lose details in the shadows. But this new sensor could change the game entirely. It's expected to deliver unprecedented image quality, pulling vibrant details from shadows while minimizing noise. This could make the OM-3 a serious contender against even full-frame cameras in low-light conditions. And it doesn't stop there. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the OM-3 is its AI-powered computational photography. If true, this technology would optimize every pixel in real time, similar to what high-end smartphones are doing, but with the power and precision of a professional-grade camera. Imagine shooting fast-moving subjects, like a basketball player mid-dunk or a cheetah sprinting across the savannah, and having the camera anticipate the movement instead of merely reacting to it. This level of precision could redefine action photography, making it easier than ever to capture the perfect moment. But the real kicker? This AI-driven system might not only enhance image quality, but also revolutionize how we think about post-processing. With real-time optimization, you could spend less time editing and more time shooting. Speaking of fast-moving subjects, autofocus is a critical feature that separates great cameras from mediocre ones. The OM-3 is rumored to take autofocus to a new level with AI-driven predictive motion tracking. Imagine photographing a dancer in mid-twirl or a street performer weaving through a bustling crowd. Traditional autofocus systems might struggle to keep up, but the OM-3 could potentially anticipate these movements, ensuring razor-sharp focus on the subject even amidst complex gestures and background distractions. This isn't just an incremental improvement. It could be a game-changer for wildlife, sports, and street photography, where timing is everything. But what about stabilization? If you've ever tried handheld low-light photography or captured dynamic video shots on the move, you know how crucial stabilization is. The OM-3 is rumored to push the boundaries even further with a staggering 8.5 stops of stabilization. To put that in perspective, it could make handheld shots as steady as if you were using a tripod or a high-end gimbal. Imagine hiking through rugged terrain or filming action sports without lugging around heavy gear. Whether you're shooting cinematic video sequences or snapping photos in challenging environments, this level of stabilization could be a game changer. And if the rumors about integrated computational stabilization are true, the OM-3 might correct for rolling shutter issues and micro vibrations in real time, creating buttery, smooth footage effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the experience of using the camera itself. One common complaint with electronic viewfinders is lag and stuttering, which can create a disconnect between you and the scene you're trying to capture. But the OM-3 is rumored to feature a 5.76 million EVF with an incredibly fast refresh rate, potentially eliminating these issues entirely. Imagine looking through a digital viewfinder that feels as natural as an optical one, but with all the modern perks, like instant feedback, zero lag, and crystal clear details even in challenging lighting conditions. This isn't just about convenience. It could enhance your creative process, allowing you to compose shots with more precision and confidence. However, the elephant in the room is the price. The OM-3 is expected to retail between $1,500 and $1,700, placing it in the premium tier of the micro four-thirds market. At that price point, it's not just about buying a camera. It's about making an investment. So, the question becomes, is it worth it? The OM-3 isn't just another new release. it's a statement. For years, critics have argued that micro Four Thirds sensors are limited compared to full-frame options. But with intelligent design, computational power, and cutting-edge innovation, the OM-3 could defy those expectations. If these rumored features hold true, this camera won't just compete within its ecosystem. It could challenge full-frame cameras in ways we haven't seen before. So, should you buy it now or wait? Here's the thing, no camera is perfect. But if even half of these rumors prove to be accurate, the OM-3 could redefine what's possible with a micro Four Thirds camera. Yet, waiting could be a strategic move. Early reviews and real-world tests will provide valuable insights into whether the OM-3 truly lives up to the hype. Plus, initial pricing often drops after the first wave of excitement. If you can hold off for a few months, you might save money or find bundle deals that include must-have accessories. In the end, the decision to wait or buy now depends on your needs as a photographer or videographer. If you're eager to get your hands on the latest tech and can't wait to explore its potential, go for it. But if you're more cautious and want to make sure it's worth every penny, holding off might be the smarter choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.